Okay, now I think the mic is on now. Acha, I'm making this video because so the homework which I am sending you, you can like kind of understand it. Okay, so now starting with the question, I'm gonna explain you few of them so you get the general idea. Now, first, some basic concepts about algebra. First of all, if we have a variable, for example, let's say we have n, and we multiply n with another n. So what's it's going to become? It's going to become n square, or we can say n to the power 2. If you multiply n by n and by another n, it's going to become n cube because it is 3 times n. If I multiply m by m, sorry, by another m and then by another m, these are 4 m's. So I hope you know that it will become 4m square. So m to the power 4. Now similarly, if we have 3m multiplied with m, so m is going to be multiplied with another m. So it will become obviously, m square. And the 3 will be multiplied as well. So it will become 3m square. For example, we have 3m multiplied by n. So it will not become a square because these are two different variables. But it will be multiplied, so it will become altogether as 3m. n. Okay, so I hope it is clear till now. Now coming to the addition part, if we see only the like variables can be added together. For example, if it is 3m and 7m, the answer will be 10m. Because the variables are same, so they will be added to each other. It's like you have 3 pencils and you have 7 pencils more. What are all together? So you can have 10 pencils. But if I say that add 2m into 8x, now the variables are different, so they cannot be added into each other, obviously. It's like you have 2 pencils and 8 pens, and then I'm asking you how pencils you have altogether. So you'll still have 2 pencils because it cannot be added in the 8. Now coming to the simplify, or let's say distributive property, to distribute things further, it is very easy. For example, if we take some question from the book, let's say question number 49, 17g plus g. So I can see, if I want to like I can take common from both of these. I have a 17g and a normal g. So I can also say that 17 is being multiplied with g, and I'm gonna write this g as it is. 17 is being multiplied with the g. I can also say that. So if I take common g as a common, so we have g in both the terms which are being added here. If I take it common, so what's left behind? If I take all the g's out of the box, I have 17 left and I have 1 left. So this is how you take common. Now if we take some other question, for example 6x square plus 14x minus 9x. Now how I can simplify it is, first of all I can see that these are both x terms, but this is an x square term, so I can add these two. So it will 14 minus 9 from 14x, so only 5x will remain, and 6x square will stay as it is. Now can I take common from something from this? I can take x out as common. If I write that 6x is being multiplied with x plus 5x, and 5 is being multiplied with x, so it is the same thing. Now I can take both x, one x from both of them because it is common in both of them. So I take x out of the box, and then what remains is 6x plus 5. This is what is left behind. So this is how I simplify these questions. It cannot be simplified further, so I will leave it here. I hope you understand it. If you have any questions, so you can ask me when I will take class, obviously.